Hello guys, so this morning I'm getting ready to somehow special with my friends and stay tuned.
Can't take my eyes off of you.
You're here and we got all our stuff and we're ready to go.
Stay tuned! Kamu tim? So guys, after a long journey now we have arrived at our destination. It's Moramo Waterfalls. Before that, don't forget to pay the entrance fee of 45,000 per motorcycle. The journey begins by walking through the protected forest area of Tanjung Peropa Nature Reserve. But don't worry, the trails are well organized and the air is really fresh. If you're a nature lover, this is a place that must be on your bucket list.
The first part of the trail brings us to a narrow iron bridge. It might feel a bit shaky as you cross, but don't worry, it's safe. Just take your time and enjoy the sound of flowing water below. After the bridge, the trail continues with a mix of stairs and flat paths. It might look tiring at first, but with good company, fresh air, and beautiful surroundings, it turns into a fun and cheerful walk. Soon, we reach another bridge, this time made of wood. It's no longer sturdy, so take your time as you cross. The small challenges add to the sense of adventure along the way. Along the trail, we pass small streams. It's a sign that the main waterfall is getting closer. Along the way, we come across a few fallen trees. But don't worry, they're easy to step over. Just keep going and the reward's waiting at the end.
One more pass. This is the last part. Just a few more steps and you'll see why people call this place unforgettable. Right in front of you stands a waterfall so stunning, it looks like it was carved by nature's own hands. With more than 7 grand cascades and over 16 sparkling steps, water flows gently from a height of almost 100 meters, creating a view that feels like it came from a dream. But Moramo isn't just something to look at, it's something you feel. You can dip your feet into its cool pools, have picnics surrounded by singing birds, or just breathe in the calmness of the forest. Every moment here feels like a pause from the world.
Finally, Moramo Waterfall!
This waterfall was first discovered in the early 1980s by tourist migrants from Java who happened to be trekking in Anoa, Sulawesi's rare white buffalo. There were no roads back then, no sign, no bridges, just forests, silent, and the quiet determination of those exploring something unknown. In 1989, Moramo Waterfall was officially open to the public, but even today, the place still feels untouched, like a hidden part of nature that has been carefully preserved. Locals also believe that this place holds something more. They say it was once a sacred bathing spot for heavenly maidens, or as the locals call them, bidadari.
Guys, you must come here. This is the one of the most beautiful masterpiece of God! Woo! So guys, Moramo Waterfall apply 7 faktor pesona saja aman, cantik, bersih, sejuk, indah, ramah dan tenang.
second. First, sit. This is for take a rest after long walk. Besides that, Moramo Waterfall also has the most important facility in tourism destination. This, Musola An-Nur, the prayer room for Muslim people.
Moramo is not just a waterfall,
Its history,
it's conservation
and it is proof.
that nature never half measures when it comes to creating beauty.
Thank you for staying with us till the end.
Thank you, Moramo!